about to leave, already packing.
Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys our news that I've been telling you guys about. I know I told you guys quite a little while ago, but we just haven't had the right time to tell everybody what's going on. I'm just gonna get right to the point and let you guys know what we are doing. So we have sold our house and we are gonna be moving out like next week. We've already moved out, but we still have lots of stuff to do around this house. So there are some like huge things going on my channel. I cannot wait to share with you guys. There's gonna be so much fun and exciting stuff that I'm gonna be doing, new videos. We are moving to a lake house that needs some work, so there's gonna be a whole new series on my channel on doing updates and renovations, and then I'm gonna show you guys room by room, and then I'm gonna like start incorporating clean with me's in all my regular videos. But I cannot wait, it's gonna be so exciting. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna show you guys around our house what is going on now, because check this chaos out. We've ripped out the flooring in here because that's one of the conditions of the house sale. They wanted new flooring because we have 4 kids and there was some scratches and stuff like that. So unfortunately we have to switch it out, but we're in the process of doing that right now. You guys see all that stuff going on. So we've taken out the baseboards. We'll be putting in the new flooring, and then we will start organizing in the new place, and then we have to put new flooring in over there. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of how we are choosing our flooring, what we're gonna put down, all that good stuff. But like I said, this house is on Lake Superior. It is a lake house. It's gonna be fantastic. We're gonna have an awesome summer. If you guys are wondering why we sold our house, it is because my hubby is a contractor. Like, he does renovations and remodeling and all that kind of stuff. So our life plan was to build this current home now, stay here for 3 years, sell it, take the equity, build a new house. So we stayed way longer than that. We've been here for 9 years now. And it was long overdue. Our master plan was not going as planned because we stayed here way longer. So we finally sold. We're gonna do that project over there on the lake, maybe stay there for 1 to 2 years, and then this is the plan anyways. We are planning to build another house. So life doesn't always go as planned, but that's kind of where our vision is going right now. And I just wanted to share that with you guys and let us know, or not let us know, let you guys know what we have going on. So I'm just gonna take you guys around the house and show you what we are dealing with. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, of course. Like, what a huge difference this is, because there's our TV, our dresser was right there, the bed was right there. I've taken down the mirrors that were there also because I'm gonna be doing very similar setup. I really love this paint color, and since our bedroom overlooks the lake over there, I would really like to use this same paint color because it's very like coastal and calming. So we will see, that's the plan anyhow. Our bathroom right now, okay, so we have doors in here because we had to take some doors down when we were moving the flooring. Suitcases. Our closet over here is like starting to come along, so I've started to pack in here. It's kind of chaotic in here. Let me show you guys what else we got going on over here. So it's gonna be a very busy spring. We've got lots of traveling going on too. Okay, so I've packed up clothing. So what I did is I just took them right off of the racks with their hangers and threw them into garbage bags instead of garment bags, because it is actually much cheaper. And I'll just take these right out of the garbage bags and put them on the hook once we get in the new place. All right, so here we have Emmett and Chandon's room. This is already all packed up. There's just a few things left in the corner. So the closet's packed. Actually, I need to take those bins with us out to the new place because I was looking for some clothes for them this morning and I'm like, where are their bins? So what I did was I packed the clothes that they often wear into those bins. That way I'm not looking for everything, because it's gonna be mass chaos until we're totally organized, and it's probably gonna be a few weeks before we get organized. So, and this is Pacey's room. We still got a few things on his wall. His closet is all cleaned out. Still got some trim and stuff all over the floor, but that's all done. And the kids' bathroom I haven't even touched yet, and it's probably a filthy disaster, so I don't even want to look in there. Once the flooring arrives, we will go ahead, install it, and I'm gonna show you guys what this place looks like once it's all done. So I'll do like an empty house tour. It'll be like a sayonara house. It'll be a little bit sad, but I'm super excited for what the future brings because we have so much fun stuff coming up in our near future. So anyhow, this is Cohen's closet. Still a few things in there. His bedroom. But the boys are gonna be so excited when we get all set up out there because it is really awesome. They're gonna have so much fun this summer on the lake. And then probably in the next few months, I'm gonna start designing our next house. And I can't wait to show you guys and just keep you guys updated with the whole process. All right, this is our front entrance. Chaotic, the office. Bunch of stuff that needs to be moved out still. All of our shelving is down. Hockey equipment airing out, fantastic. Chandon's not feeling super great this morning, so I made him a little bed there. Hey buddy, how are you feeling? You still got a cough? Yeah, he's watching his favorite YouTube shows up there. And over here I've got clean laundry that needs to be folded, so I laid down a blanket and then I put clean laundry over there. What's that? What randomly turned on? This show? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll switch it in a sec. All right, and then this is the kitchen, and this is actually what I am working on today. So the kitchen should be fairly easy to pack up because I'm just going to put the glasses and cups like right into the bin. I'm not even going to wrap them in newspaper or anything because we're literally like just picking them up, putting them in the truck and taking them out there. So yeah, this is our update. All right guys, so that was our big life-changing news. I'm so excited because I have so many awesome videos planned for you guys, especially with the whole renovating process and showing you guys what we're picking out, what we're putting in there. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below. Hit that little notification bell too so you guys don't miss any of those videos that will be coming up. It's gonna be a little bit crazy with my channel for the next few weeks, so hang in there. But once we get that flow going, it's gonna be awesome. I cannot wait to show you guys those videos. We will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.